Hi, this is teacher Amanda, and today we are going to discuss Standard 6 Month 4 Exam Paper 2 Section A. Let's take a look at the first question. Read the information carefully. Use the information to complete the conversation. Now this is an information transfer question. Alright, it's fairly easy, but you need to read the sentence in full before you attempt to answer the question. Alright, now let's take a look. Reporter, congratulations on your latest novel. What is the name of the novel? Let's take a look. Voyage Around the World. So the answer is Voyage Around the World. Sarah said thank you. As soon as I got the idea, I put it on paper and wrote this book. The reporter said, can you tell your readers a little about its contents? Sarah said it is about, now see the word here, keyword about. Let's find here about Captain Murad's voyage around the world. So that's the answer. It is about Captain Murad's voyage around the world. His journey takes him through, now look at the keyword here, through. Let's find over here, through winds and storms. Alright, here, through winds and storms, before he is shipwrecked and drifted to, again the keyword here, to Twilight Island. Alright, to Twilight Island, where he discovers treasures and ancient tribes. The reporter say, sounds like a very interesting novel. Where can your readers get a copy of your book? Sarah said at all, again the keyword at all, over here, at all leading bookstores throughout the country. So this is the answer here, leading bookstores throughout the country. That's how you answer the first question. Now let's take a look at section B. Study the advertisement below, then answer the question that follows. Alright, now again this is a fairly easy question. You just need to fill in the blanks. Now the only thing you need to take note of is the spelling. If you write the wrong spelling, alright, if you do the wrong spelling, teacher will minus your mark during the examination. So you need to take note of that. Now let's take a look at paper 2 section B question. You would like to join one of the classes. Based on the information given, which class would you attend? Give reasons for your choice. 50 to 80 words. Now this is an opinion based question. You need to give your opinion. Now before we answer any section B question, there's a few things that we need to take note of. Number one, we need to understand the question. Now in order to write the answer, we need to understand what the question requires of us. That's number one. Number two, we need to look at the word limit. In this case, it's 50 to 80 words. Whatever words that is written more than 80 words will be, marks will be minus by the teacher during the examination. So we need to take note of that. The third thing that you need to take note of is a 10-mark question, meaning to say, this question is worth 10 marks, so you need to write at least 5 pointers, okay? 5 reasons and why you choose the classes that you choose. Now, let's give you an example. Let's say I choose Japanese class, alright? Why do I choose Japanese class? Because it has 30 hours per level, alright? It's the highest hours per level for a class, that's one. Or you can say that it's taught by an experienced teacher. Why? Alright, so that you can learn better, and etc. So you need to give your reason. At least 5 reasons and why you choose the classes that you choose. Alright, now that is how to answer section B question. Okay, let's answer this section C question. Question 2. Write a story based on the pictures below. You may use the words given to help you. Write your story in the space provided. Write your story between 80 to 100 words. Now this is a word expansion question. Alright, so you need to elaborate your answer. Now in order to answer section C question, which is worth 25 marks, there's a few things that you need to take note of. Number one, again, you need to understand the question. Alright, when you understand the question, you know what you need to write. That's number one. Number two, you need to take note of this word may over here. You may use the words given, meaning to say the words that is given to you over here, alright, as a guide, you can change it according to your preference. Alright, now if you see the word here or, you must use all the words given to help you, meaning to say the words that is provided to you, you must use exactly the same words. Alright, that's the second thing you need to take note of. The third thing that you need to take note of is this word limit here, 80 to 100 words. Any words more than 100 words, teacher will minus your marks, so you need to take note on that. The fourth thing that you need to take note of is the present tense or the past tense, whether this story happened in the present or in the past. Now let's take a look. The word here overflowed, alright, and the word here trapped. Okay, this shows that this story already happened in the past, so the whole story, when you write it, you need to write it in past tense instead of present tense. Alright, now the fifth thing that you need to take note of is the grammar, the punctuation, and also the content. You need to elaborate the content with more details, alright, rather than following just the guide given to you. Alright, for example, instead of just using the words that's given to you, you need to add more of your own words to answer this 25 mark question for section C. So that's all for standard 6 month 4 paper 2 section A, B and C. Thank you.